Inside the Industrial Technology Shop at Warroad High School, students are doing more than completing projects. They're learning how modern manufacturing works.
We spend a lot of time on layout and measurement, just especially precision measurement, and trying to make projects that are quality standards. We try to tie in as much industrial related and manufacturing related skills as we can. We like to see what they're doing in their building, and try to mimic that here.
We see it not only investing in the youth and our high schoolers, but also it's a great opportunity for our engineering and maintenance team to come over and give back to the community as well. Shop classes, technical skills, robotics classes, things like that, to be able to understand here's the future of manufacturing in the U.S. and specifically in northern Minnesota.
From welding and machining to precision measuring and fabrication, every skill connects classroom learning to real industry practices. With partners like Marvin Windows supporting the program, students are gaining experience today that can lead directly to tomorrow's careers in advanced manufacturing and skilled trades.